Hi guys, today I am at, let me show you, West Elm, my favorite. Okay, so I'm here at West Elm with my brother Joe. He's getting our parking all situated. But Joe actually just bought a beautiful house, which I asked him, can I do an empty house tour? And he's gonna let it happen.
I begged her. I begged her to do it.
Keep a lookout for that too, because he just bought a beautiful home that I can't wait to share with you guys. And I've actually only seen pictures. I haven't actually been in the house yet. So we're here at West Elm. I have the honor of helping him, or just
forcing? Would we say forcing?
Forcing him to buy West Elm furniture. So I am going to go with him, do a little furniture shopping today. I thought it would be fun to bring you guys along. Hopefully you enjoy, and hopefully they have some good stuff. Walking into West Elm with this loud van. Look at me and Joe's shoes. Air Jordans.
Anyone?
Here we go.
Thank you. You're welcome. Appreciate it. Yeah.
Okay, look at these beautiful leather sofas. Joe, you don't want leather, right?
I would prefer not leather. My goal is comfort.
Comfort.
Leather is comfortable,
but it's beautiful.
Yeah.
We like this light. You're not into the brass though, right?
I think black would look better.
Yeah, we're gonna do black, but something kind of like that. I like this little thing on the table too. With the candles. Cute. Okay, this is called the Haven sofa, and something about it reminds me of IKEA though, because I think because it's like so low to the ground. It is like a cool color and it's pretty, but like I feel like the lower your furniture is to the ground, like the less expensive it looks. And it's like, if you're gonna buy something from West Elm, you might as well get something that looks more expensive, because it's expensive anyway.
I think I'll take it.
I mean, it's probably, let's see, sofa, $1,600, two-piece, sectionals, almost $3,000. Now, what is this one? This one looks a little bit higher, doesn't it?
Harris, yeah.
Harris. Okay. I don't love the fabric color, but is it comfortable or no?
It's okay.
It's okay.
I like this one better.
Okay, we're thinking maybe this for Joe's living room. This coffee table, nice storage, and then it comes up like a little desk. That's super cool. How much is this? Side table, skinny console. Is it $4.99? Oh, pop-up coffee table, $600.
$699.
So that's expensive.
Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah. Something I was telling Joe, you can get more expensive pieces for like your main big pieces, but then like little smaller items we can get like at Target, like little side tables, bookshelves. Like you don't have to spend a ton of money on everything. Do you like this table?
What about something like this where you can make it smaller or bigger?
That's cool. Drop leaf table, $4.99. That is cool. This might be the Haven as well, but in leather, and I'm kind of obsessed with it here. I love this. Are you sure you don't want leather? Because this is cool. I even love that swivel chair over here. I love this whole look. I love it all. Look at all the plants. Some of these are real plants. Looking at the beautiful dining room setup. I even like this little thing. I love this light up here. That's so cool. This is called the Urban Collection. I love this coffee table. Do you like the, I like how like square it is and stuff.
I like the squareness.
But you want something with storage or what?
Nice.
This chair is cute. Probably not for you, but I like it. I really like the coffee table. He's getting comfy. Okay, here's another cool setup with a leather couch. This is called the Hamilton. And then this is the Harmony chair. This is the couch I have in chair version. And it's the comfiest couch ever. I love it. Joe, I like this rug.
It's not bad.
It's like neutral and nice. This sofa's called the Drake. There's some hair on here. This is cool with the little tufting, but Joe's going for comfort, and this doesn't look like the comfiest.
Yeah, comfort number one.
I love this chair though. I told him he needs a little pop of leather in there. But this is one of the things, if we just want to pop a leather, we don't care about like the comfort so much, you could probably get it cheaper somewhere else.
Yeah.
I kind of love this for my bookshelves though. Well, that's really heavy. Okay, here's another setup. This is called the Newport collection. I like that it has like that pop of brown at the bottom. I just feel like it gives it something extra. I feel like that's beautiful. I love the whole setup. This chair I've wanted for so long. I think it's really cool. So I've been trying to just find a cheaper version of this for a really long time. I think they're kind of expensive for, well, I guess there's no tag on it, but I'm pretty sure it's expensive. But I think it's cool. Okay, I gotta get Joe to get one of these lights for his living room. I like the black one. Super modern and cool. And I love it. This one's really cool because it's like a softer fabric on the front and then a leather on the back. I like the black legs. I love this swivel chair so much. It starts at $600, so it's still really expensive, but I've seen it in the white kind of Sherpa color online. It's so cute. I've always loved these leather accent chairs. They're so pretty. I love the arched floor lamp. I pretty much love everything in West Elm. I always love these bookends, but I've seen them online and they're like $50, but I think they're so cool. They have a matching console table to that coffee table too, which is really nice. Little storage back here. They also have a thinner one with open storage. Alright guys, I'm back at home on my West Dome sofa. I actually get a lot of questions about my sofa still. When I originally got these, sorry if you guys can hear my washer. It's on right now too. We did a whole video when I originally got these sofas. It was a little over a year ago probably, I think. I still get questions about my sofa all the time if we still really like it, and we do. I feel like it's the greatest purchase we've made for our house is getting this sofa from West Elm. I love it. I realized I kind of ended the video really randomly. Joe and I ended up leaving West Elm, going out to lunch and stuff, and then I forgot to like film and end the video. So I'm sitting here editing this video on my laptop right now, so I just wanted to pop on here really quick and tell you guys we actually didn't end up buying anything that day. While we were there, it wasn't, their Labor Day sale wasn't going on yet, and someone in the store let us know that there was gonna be like a big sale going on. So we thought we would wait, or Joe thought he would wait, and he hadn't officially made a decision on like what sofa or what fabric he wanted yet. So he was gonna take a little more time to think about it. But keep a lookout for the empty house tour. Make sure you're subscribed and have your notifications on, because he's gonna let me do an empty house tour at his house. I haven't actually been to his house yet, his new house, but he just bought it. I've seen the pictures, it's beautiful, and hopefully I'll get over there soon to see it. So it'll be kind of like my first look too. So hope you guys liked seeing what was in store at West Elm. I think it's always fun just to like even look around, even if I don't end up buying anything there. But hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you guys really soon in my next video.